Welcome to Chapter 9. This is Part 1, the introduction and outline for Chapter 9. There are going to be 10 videos in the Chapter 9 sequence. And in Chapter 9, what we're going to talk about is more on substitution and elimination reactions. Specifically, we're going to go over what the products of these reactions are in synthesis. So a reaction may have a substitution product as well as an elimination product, and we'll go over when we can tell how we can tell which is the major product and when we'll be getting one product versus the other. We'll also be going over when we can predict the mechanisms of these reactions. Chapter 9, of course, will have lots of iClicker questions, so make sure that when you come to an iClicker question that you pause it and give it a try on your own. And be sure to pause the video at any time if you need to take notes or you need to review something. Here's the outline for the lecture. We're going to first cover what thermodynamic control is versus kinetic control and what those two types of controls are. And then we're going to look at SN1 versus SN2 reactions. We're going to go all of the factors that you would consider when trying to determine the mechanism for those reactions. And then we'll actually talk about how to determine which mechanism is occurring. We'll look at some examples. And we'll do the same thing with the E1 and E2 reactions. We're going to be going over the factors that affect these reactions. We'll go over some examples and walk through how to determine whether the mechanism is E1 or E2. Then finally, we're going to combine everything and look at, whether or not you have substitution or elimination occurring in your reaction conditions and just kind of see how everything works together. The last little topic here is going to briefly cover glycosides and glycosidic linkages.